Now let's talk about sorting in Excel. What does it mean to sort data? Sorting means arranging your data in a specific order. Now you can sort in ascending order or descending order. When you sort in ascending order, you sort from smallest to largest or A to Z. In descending order, you sort from largest to smallest or Z to A. Now sorting helps you to organize your data so it's easier to understand. Now, how do you sort your data in Excel? The first thing you will do is to click in the column you want to sort. Then you go to the data tab, click sort A to Z for ascending order, or you can click sort Z to A for descending order, and Excel will automatically rearrange your data. Now this is really efficient if you're working with like names and you want to like go with all the names that begin with A, then B, then C, then D. Then sorting helps you do that. Now let's go to our worksheet and do some practicals.